Unleashing the beast is often thought of as an act of releasing raw, untapped energy, a force that lies dormant within, waiting for the right moment to emerge. This idea resonates deeply with the human experience. We all carry within us a primal power, a side that is unrestrained, passionate, and unfiltered. It is this essence that allows us to overcome challenges, break through barriers, and achieve feats that once seemed impossible. The beast within is not necessarily a destructive force. Instead, it can be a source of immense strength, creativity, and resilience. It represents the part of us that refuses to conform to societal expectations or limitations, the part that yearns to express itself fully and authentically. Yet, this aspect of our nature is often suppressed, hidden beneath layers of fear, doubt, and external pressure. Unleashing it requires courage, self-awareness, and a willingness to confront the unknown. In many ways, the journey to unleash the beast begins with introspection. It demands that we look inward and recognize the parts of ourselves we've neglected or silenced. This might involve acknowledging our deepest desires, our hidden talents, or even our unresolved anger and frustration. These emotions and traits, while sometimes uncomfortable, are integral to who we are. They provide the fuel needed to ignite the fire within. When we unleash the beast, we step into a state of being that is both powerful and vulnerable. It's a paradoxical experience, where we feel more alive and yet more exposed. This raw authenticity can be intimidating, both to ourselves and to those around us. It challenges the status quo and forces us to confront our fears head-on. But it is precisely in this space of discomfort that growth occurs. There's a transformative quality to this process. It's not merely about releasing energy but about channeling it purposefully. The beast, once unleashed, must be guided. Without direction, it can become chaotic and destructive. With intention, however, it becomes a force of creation and progress. This is where discipline and focus come into play. They act as the reins that allow us to steer this immense power toward meaningful goals. Unleashing the beast can manifest in various forms. For some, it might be the act of pursuing a lifelong dream despite the odds. For others, it could be standing up for themselves in situations where they've been silenced. It might even involve breaking free from a toxic relationship or environment that has kept them chained. Whatever form it takes, the essence remains the same: reclaiming one's power and using it to shape a life of purpose and fulfillment. The journey is not without its challenges. Society often discourages individuals from embracing their wild, untamed side. Conformity is celebrated, while deviation is met with resistance. Those who dare to unleash their beast may find themselves misunderstood or even ostracized. Yet, history is filled with examples of individuals who defied the norms and achieved greatness because they refused to suppress their inner power. Artists, leaders, innovators, they all tapped into their primal energy to create something extraordinary. There's also an element of trust involved in this process. Trust in oneself, in one's instincts, and in the journey. The beast within is not something to be feared but something to be embraced. It's a part of our humanity, a reminder of our inherent strength and capability. Trusting this side of ourselves means letting go of the need for constant control and allowing our instincts to guide us. Unleashing the beast is not a one-time act, it's a continuous journey. As we grow and evolve, so too does the beast within. Each new challenge we face, each new opportunity we encounter, offers a chance to tap into this primal energy once more. It's a dynamic process, one that requires us to remain adaptable and open to change. In the end, unleashing the beast is about reclaiming our authenticity. It's about breaking free from the chains of fear and self-doubt and stepping into our full potential. It's a celebration of the human spirit, of our ability to overcome adversity and create a life that aligns with our true selves. The beast within is not our enemy, it is our ally. It is a source of empowerment, a reminder of what we are capable of when we dare to embrace our true nature. By unleashing it, we unlock a version of ourselves that is fierce, unstoppable, and unapologetically real. It's a journey worth taking, a transformation worth embracing, and in doing so, we don't just unleash the beast, we unleash the best version of ourselves.